In this video, I'll show you how to mute a tab in Safari on your Mac. This is useful if a website is playing audio, music, ads, or a video in the background, and you want to stop the sound without closing the tab. To get started, open Safari on your Mac. Now open the website or tab that is playing sound. When a tab is playing audio, you should see a small speaker icon appear on the tab. To mute that tab, simply click the speaker icon on the tab. The sound from that website will stop immediately, but the page will stay open. If you want to turn the sound back on, just click the speaker icon again. You can also right-click on the tab that is playing audio, then select Mute Tab from the menu. If you have multiple tabs open and you're not sure which one is making noise, look for the tab with the speaker icon. That is usually the tab playing sound. And that's it. You've successfully muted a tab in Safari. Now you can keep the website open without hearing any audio from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.